Hey everybody, Todd here from Sweet Tea Guitars. So I wanted to take a break from my great guitar build-off project for just a minute and show you guys what I got in the mail yesterday. So first of all, I've been talking about this Tremoline FT36 in my videos, which I'm using for my great guitar build-off build. But I wanted to show you guys, I've not yet opened these. Here is the Tremoline FT36 Tremolo, still in the box. I wanted to unbox it together. And to let you know how cool of a guy Theodore is from Tremoline, he sent me these as a gift for my great guitar build-off build. Thanks, Theodore, I appreciate it, brother. This is a set of stainless steel knobs. I don't know if you can see those. We'll unbox them in a minute and go through these. And this is a set of strap lock pins, or strap locks in general, not just the pins. All these are really nice. Alright, so let's do the tremolo first. By the way, Theodore, I want to tell you, brother, the packaging is absolutely killer. So what we've got here is matte UV coated. The box is embossed, and it's got gloss UV coating over certain parts. You can see that gloss shining in the light there. This is absolutely killer packaging. So kudos, Theodore. Alright, so this is all nice padded. This is made out of like high density foam. User manual, always important. Oh wow. Here are the screws, the wrenches, the intonation adjustment tool. There's a string retainer bar if you choose to use it. I'm not going to need it on this. There's a grounding nut. And one thing, I've seen pictures of this, but I want to show you guys how much care Tremoline puts in the making of their products. Now when you see a spring claw from even a high-end Floyd Rose tremolo, they're not made like this. This is a piece of machined stainless steel. This is absolutely killer. It's nice heavy stainless. The one thing I will say about this thing, I can tell the slots are cut at a 12-inch radius. Here's the tremolo bar. It's nice and heavy. Threaded on one end, stainless. I like this. It's not as big and bulky as a standard Floyd Rose tremolo would be, but this is really nice. It's nice heavyweight stainless. This is the Tremoline FT36. Oh wow. Check that out, guys. This thing is nice and heavy. Way heavier than some of the cheaper Floyd Rose copies I've bought in my day. Check out that block. This thing is nice, heavy. That's machined stainless. All this is machined stainless. I cannot wait to put this thing on my guitar. I'm going to put this back in the box. We'll pop these knobs open real quick and just check those out. Nice, again, nice packaging. They come with the set screws, and all of Tremoline stuff comes with everything you need to install it. That, my friends, is a nice turned stainless steel knob for a guitar. Polished top, knurled on the sides for easy grip. You can see down inside there, that's all nicely machined and clean. My compliments to Tremoline for their absolute eagle eye attention to detail. So I just wanted to talk real quick and show you guys that awesome Tremoline FT36 Tremolo Theodore sent me from Bulgaria, and to let you know what kind of quality is in that box. Phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. Theodore's a great guy. Show him some love. Go to the website www.tremoline.com. Tremoline.com. Tell them Sweet Tea sent you. Peace and love.